Welcome to Norfolk Cars, where we've just taken in this gorgeous 2004 R53 Mini Cooper S. So becoming quite a rare model now. It's the 1.6 supercharged engine. This has just been fully serviced by ourselves. Just had a new cam cover gasket, new pulleys and belts fitted. It's got the Chili Pack, so it comes with the xenon lights, and this was the facelift 2004 version, and it's also got the rare Aero body kit. It comes with some freshly refurbished BBS split rim mini alloy wheels. Inside it's got the brushed aluminium trim, and the Chili Pack models have the 3-spoke leather steering wheel. It's covered just over 90,000 miles. It's got an upgraded Alpine audio, comes with air conditioning, traction control, 6-speed manual gearbox, and the Chili Pack models also have the half leather sport seats. And as you can see from these images, the interior of the car is exceptionally clean. There's no rips or tears to the upholstery, no signs of any smoking, and the driver's seat is worn exceptionally well. It's got the JCW door sill finishes, all in great condition. The tyres on the car, they're all matching Pirelli tyres, and they're all around 4 to 5 millimeters of tread. You can see the Aero rear bumper, again all in great condition. It's got the original parcel shelf, split rear seat. It's got the colour-coded grab handle on the rear, darkened rear glass. It's got the 2-tone split rim wheels. It's just had new rear brakes and caliper as part of the used car check. Chili Pack models mean you get the glove box and the height adjustable passenger seat too. It's got black roof and mirror caps, clear indicator lenses. So superb all-round condition. It's just been serviced. It has an MOT that runs through till September 25 with no advisories. So it's a cracking little car, starts, runs, drives absolutely perfectly, and like I said, becoming quite a rare car these days. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for latest stock updates, or visit our website for further information on this vehicle.